A wise man once encountered a group of people who were complaining about the same issue again and again. One day, instead of listening to their complaints, he decided to tell them a joke. Everybody cracked up laughing. Then he told them the joke again. A few of them smiled. Then he told them the joke again, and nobody laughed or smiled. And then he told them the joke again, and he didn't get any reaction from any one of them. So he told them, you don't laugh at the same joke more than once. So what are you getting from complaining to me about the same problem again? The moral of the lesson is, you are not going to get anywhere from continuing to complain about the same issue again and again and again and again, unless you take actions and resolve the problem that you're facing. Don't expect people to react to the same complaints the same way consistently every time you tell them the joke or you tell them the complaints. People will stop sympathizing with you. Actually, they might not like you anymore because you give them negative energy. So take actions and try to resolve the problem as soon as possible. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.